Good morning, dear students. At last, the beautiful day has arrived, and dear students, I am sure that you all have been eagerly waiting for this day. So, a very warm welcome to each and every students in class 7. Anyways, before going any further, I am delighted to thank our principal sir for giving us tremendous opportunity to run the class online. So, students, before starting this chapter, I would like to tell you about the author. And the first chapter, you all know, Monkey Trouble. And Monkey Trouble is written by Ruskin Bond. So, before starting the text, before understanding the text and explanation, we must know about the author. So, on page number 8 in your book, if you have opened your book, you can see on page number 8 there is about the author. So, before starting, I would like to tell you something very important about the author because Ruskin Bond, by his name, he is looking like a foreigner writer, but really, he is not a foreigner writer, he is an Indian author. So, you can also read something in your book on page number 8. But something more I would like to give you about Ruskin Bond. Actually, Ruskin Bond was born in Kasauli in India, which was the colonial place of Punjab state. And he was born in 19th May 1934. You can see here in your book also given that he was born in Kasauli. Actually, at the time, Kasauli was Kasauli was the place of Punjab, but now currently Kasauli is in Himachal Pradesh, as given in your book. And he used to live with his parents in Kasauli. But when he was 6 year old, his father was selected for a air officer, and he joined his air services. And after joining his father air services, he moved with his maternal uncle in his family, and he started living in that family in Missouri. He wrote many of his short stories for children. He wrote many novels also. Students, I am just giving you some names of the novels as well as short stories which is written by Ruskin Bond. So, first important work which is written by Ruskin Bond, The White Elephant. You have also studied in the last class, chapter number 2 in class 6. The White Elephant was in class 6. Second work, A Tiger in the House, The Hidden Pool, Four Feathers, as well as A Season of Ghosts, Garland of Memories, and Iceland of Trees. Next, Tales and Legends from India, The Death of Trees, The Tiger in the Tunnel, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehradun. And Our Trees Still Grows in Dehradun. This work is a very notable work because by his work he was awarded very recognizable award, that is Padam Bhushan. Sorry, sir. He was awarded Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for his work Our Trees Still Grows in Dehra. In this way, these are the works of Ruskin Bond, and his literary style was very keen and very interesting. Most of his works are influenced by his life in hill stations, because you all know that Missouri is a hill stations, and he used to live from beginning of his age 6 from the last time, and still he is now living. Okay, and he was influenced Many works are influenced by his the birthplaces, like hill stations of the Himalayas, where the where he spent his childhood. And he was also awarded Padma Shri in 1999. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 2014, and he was also awarded by the Lifetime Achievement Award in 2017. And students, by knowing it, you will be more interested about Ruskin Bond, that some of his novels and short stories are also filmed by some directors. One of his novel फ्लाइट ऑफ पिजन, मतलब कबूतरों का झुंड, जो कि 1857 की क्रांति पर बेस्ड है, इस पर 1857 की क्रांति पर बेस्ड है, उस पर एक फिल्म बनाई गई थी. अ फिल्म इन 1978 ऑफ बॉलीवुड फिल्म जुनून इज डायरेक्टेड बाय श्याम बेनेगल, and it was a historical novel. Flight of Pigeon is a historical novel. And आपने सात खून माफ ये भी फिल्म देखा होगा. सात खून माफ इज अ बॉलीवुड मूवी which is directed by Vishal Bharadwaj, in which Priyanka Chopra is in a lead role. In the same film, Ruskin Bond appears as a bishop. So students, I think that all these about Ruskin Bond is very important and fruitful for you. And regarding his life, regarding his works, I will give you some important PDF file also. Now students, let us see about the story. But before starting the story, I would like to tell you the summary of the story, that what is in the Monkey Trouble. The Monkey Trouble is a story about a naughty nature of the monkey, whose name is Tutu. And Tutu is a female monkey. She is a trouble creating monkey. मतलब वो हमेशा प्रॉब्लम्स ही क्रिएट्स करती है, हमेशा, चाहे वो घर में हो चाहे वो बाहर हो. Who only creates problems at home, in the city. Tutu's main victim were Aunt Ruby and her fiancé Rocky. मतलब जो टूटू बंदर है, बंदरिया है, उसके सबसे ज़्यादा उसे परेशान होने वाले उसकी रस्किन बॉन्ड ने यहाँ पर एक तरह से ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल स्टोरी लिखा है. और ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल स्टोरी में उनकी एक आंट मतलब बुआ रहते हैं, जिनका नाम है रूबी. रूबी और उनके फियांसी मतलब जिनसे उनकी शादी होने वाली होती है, जिनका नाम है रॉकी. वो दोनों बहुत ही ज़्यादा ट्रबल होते हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा परेशान होते हैं. टूटू आल्सो ट्रबल्स ग्रैंड माँ एंड अंकल बेंजी. He also troubles a jewelry shop by taking a pearl necklace. She ran away with the necklace. जब वो एक शॉप में जाती है टूटू, तो वहाँ पर शॉपकीपर को बहुत ही ज़्यादा परेशान करती है और उसके एक नेकलेस को जो मोतियों का होता है उसको लेकर के भाग जाती है. And she ran away with necklace. Almost half city chased her, and at the end she threw that precious necklace in a stream. मतलब पूरी आधी शहर उसके पीछे उस नेकलेस को लेने के लिए दौड़ती है. और अंत में क्या होता है कि वो टूटू जो एक बंदरिया है, वो उस नेकलेस को, जो बहुत ही प्रीशियस नेकलेस होता है, उसको एक नदी में फेंक देती है. द स्टोरी इज रिटन इन अ कॉमिक फॉर्मेट विच इज़ फुल ऑफ फन इंसिडेंट. ये जो स्टोरी रस्किन बॉन्ड ने लिखा है वो एक कॉमिक फॉर्म में लिखा गया है, जो कि पूरी तरह से हर समय एक मज़ेदार किस्सों के साथ भरा हुआ है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट दिस स्टोरी विद द एक्सप्लेनेशंस, एंड आई होप दैट यू ऑल हैव बुक राइट नाउ, एंड इन योर बुक you will see. By the way, I am also through this video showing you the book and explaining. Grandfather bought Tutu from a street entertainer for the sum of 10 rupees. मतलब रस्किन बॉन्ड कह रहे हैं कि ग्रैंडफादर जब गए स्ट्रीट में, तो उन्होंने स्ट्रीट स्ट्रेनर, जो गलियों में बेचने वाले बायर्स होते हैं, उनसे उन्होंने एक 10 रुपए में टूटू को खरीद करके लाया. The man had 3 monkeys at the time who was selling the monkeys. He had 3 monkeys. Tutu was the smallest but the most mischievous. Mischievous, students, you can also note down the meaning of mischievous. Mischievous means naughty. Means Among all these three monkeys, Tutu was a younger monkey and she was a female monkey, and she was very naughty. वो बहुत ही नटखटी थी. She was tied up most of the time. Means she always tied by the ropes, and the sailor had tied her legs, her hands most of the time. Sometimes he used to make her free. The little monkey looked so miserable with a collar and a chain that uh, see, the little monkey looked so miserable with a collar and chain that grandfather decided it would be much happier in our home. Means always she was bounded by the chains, and there was a collar around her neck. So after looking that monkey, grandfather decided to take Tutu to her home. In how much rupees? In 10 rupees. Means he decided to buy Tutu from that seller, from that street seller. Grandfather had a weakness for keeping unusual pets. Now students, listen, this is a very important question, may also be asked regarding these lines. That grandfather was fond of which things? Grandfather was fond of which things? तो ग्रैंडफादर उसके बहुत ही ज़्यादा शौकीन थे पालतू पशुओं को रखने का अपने घर में, ठीक है ना. इट वॉज द हैबिट दैट आई एट द एज ऑफ 8 or 9 यूज टू इनकरेज. नाउ हियर इन दिस लाइन इट वॉज द हैबिट दैट आई, मतलब यही जो आदत थी, जो उसके दादा की आदत थी, रस्किन बॉन्ड के दादा की जो आदत थी, यही आदत रस्किन बॉन्ड की भी थी. एट द एज ऑफ 8 or 9, मतलब जब वो 8 साल या 9 साल के थे रस्किन बॉन्ड, तब से उनका भी आदत था और वो इन चीज़ों को इनकरेज करते थे. ही यूज टू इनकरेज दिस थिंग्स. नाउ टर्न द पेज, पेज नंबर 2. Grandmother at first objected to having a monkey in the house. Means after looking at the first time, Ruskin Bond's grandmother objected, denied to take Tutu in her house. मतलब उनकी दादी ने उनको मना किया कि हम इस मंकी को अपने घर में नहीं ला सकते. ऑब्जेक्ट किया. ऑब्जेक्टेड मीन्स डिनाइड. You have enough pets as it is, she said, referring to grandfather's goats, several white mice and small tortoise. मतलब ये क्या करके मना कर रही हैं कि आपके पास बहुत ही पहले से पर्याप्त मात्रा में पेट्स हैं. जैसा कि उन्होंने बताया कि ग्रैंडफादर के पास बकरियां भी हैं और बहुत सारे सफ़ेद चूहे भी हैं, एंड स्मॉल टॉर्टाइज, और एक छोटा सा कछुआ भी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, remaining of the PDF files I will provide you, and you can also note down some important things regarding the life of author. Okay, thank you, bye, and I hope that you will do the practice and you will read remaining lines, and next times I will explain all the chapters. Thank you.